Hi everyone! Let's make a super easy mini tulip bouquet with cock channel. Let's get started. Cut a pink channel stem in half. Fold it in half to find the center. Open it up, cross the two sides, and twist to secure. Make 4 petals in total. Fold a green channel stem in half. Place it behind the flower. Pull it tight, then twist twice to secure it. Gently curve the petals like this. Twist the 2 green channel stems together. Lightly pass a lighter over the fuzzy fibers. Shape 1 leaf on each side. Twist twice to secure. Twist the 2 stems together at the base. Lightly singe any stray fibers. At the pointed tip of each leaf, you can trim away a little of the fuzzy fiber. Then lightly pass a lighter over it. Your tulip flower is now finished. Make a few more to complete the bouquet. Tie on a cute little bow. Doesn't it look beautiful? If you make one, don't forget to share your finished bouquet in the comments.